Hi and welcome back to my channel, Thrive Alive Academy, and I'm your host Megan Harris. Thank you for being with me today. I'm just going to do a quick video on one thing that we do every single day, in fact twice a day, and it's something that's super important that we need to be aware of, because once again, as you know, my channel is all about detoxing chemicals and toxins from your body in simple and easy ways, and to bring to your attention which are those products. So the next product which needs to be changed out forthwith is your toothpaste. Why? Because toothpaste contains fluoride. Regular toothpaste contains fluoride. And I know you're probably shaking your finger at me and going, no, Megan, there's nothing wrong with fluoride. I'm here to tell you that in fact there is. Fluoride is a highly toxic chemical, and we do not need it in the things that they put it in. In fact, fluoride is found in Teflon pans, in some medicines. It is found obviously in your toothpaste and tap water, and we don't need it in any of those different modalities. So if I were you, I would swap out my toothpaste to fluoride-free. Why? Because this is what fluoride does to you. It will give you arthritis. It can give you bone density issues. It can give you cancer. It can also give you infertility. It can also be give you your heart, kidney and thyroid disease issues. It can also give you diabetes. And that's just to name a few. So I think if we are having and putting this into our mouth, inside our mouths twice a day, trust me, it is ingested directly into your bloodstream and then goes throughout your whole body, and over time accumulated, it is going to eventually start, one of those things is going to become an issue for you. So I'm here to tell you, please, it's a simple swap out. Just go and make sure that you read the ingredients and go and get a toothpaste that does not have fluoride in it. I have a wonderful brand here. In fact, it's from South Africa, and it also includes mostly plant-based stuff, which I'm super thrilled about. It includes lovely things like aloe bitters and rooibos from rooibos tea, which is so fabulous. It also has mint and aniseed oil in here. So it also has mint and aniseed oil in here. It has very healthy propolis, which comes from bees. So make sure you read the ingredients list of your toothpaste, and make sure it is definitely fluoride free, because you don't want to be contributing to your ill health for no reason at all. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the like, and feel free to send me a comment and any ideas of what you would like to hear a video on, and I will do it for you. Thank you and enjoy your day.